Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Apple TV 4K and confirming it runs the latest TV OS. Updates reduce connection issues. Next, plug a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable into the Apple TV's RJ45 port so you get a stable wired link. Once done, connect the other end to an available router LAN port or switch, and then temporarily disable Wi-Fi in settings so the device prefers wired networking. This sequence guarantees the Apple TV negotiates a wired IP rather than defaulting back to wireless. You now walk into Settings, select Network, and verify that Ethernet reports connected. This is how you confirm physical link and auto IP lease. If your network uses DHCP, leave Configure TCP/IP set to DHCP so the router assigns an address automatically. Make sure DNS is correct for streaming. If you need a fixed address for port forwarding, choose Manual and enter IP, subnet mask, router, and DNS values. Finally, check link speed reads 100 or 1000 Mbps to ensure full duplex performance. You finish by launching a streaming app and playing 4K content to validate throughput. You can also run network diagnostics in settings to view latency and packet loss. If playback stutters or the Ethernet status is disconnected, restart the Apple TV and the router to clear temporary faults. If problems persist, swap the Ethernet cable and try a different router port. As a last step, set a manual IP and known good DNS to rule out DHCP or DNS failures. This targeted troubleshooting isolates common wired issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.